Hey guys, Mom and Son Train Rail fans coming to you Saturday morning. We are out in the building early. We have stopped Legos for right now because we have been neglecting our track for our HO and O. So we are running cleaning cars on the double main line over here and also on the Castle layout and the Godzilla layout. So we just need to do some maintenance today, at least for the first part of today. We're going to be working on maintenance. Ray's over there controlling one of the switchers for the other double main line. And we put the cleaning cars in front of the engines. That way it will clean the engine wheels too. And here comes the switcher with another cleaning car. But we had to spend some time today cleaning track. And we will get back with you guys later this afternoon. What you say? Hey, Ian. Bye. He's concentrating, making sure none of these things fall off tracks. But that's what we're doing this morning. We'll catch up with you guys later on this afternoon.